I'd like to talk about the ebb and flow of things, the pendulum, really. And you've all seen a pendulum swing. It swings one way and then it swings another. And believe it or not, life is like that. People are like that. Societies are like that. We start with people who are feeling entitled, feeling secure, and they create circumstances that victimize other people. And those people suffer as the pendulum swings. But then, over time, the pendulum swings again. And the people who were entitled, those people become the victims. And the people who were the victims become those who are entitled. It is a simple principle about polarity and rhythm, the swinging of the pendulum. And it's important to understand that the pendulum does not need to swing. The victims can choose not to be victims. The victimizers can choose not to be entitled. And that balances things. It makes it so that there are no victims. There are no entitled victimizers. Hopefully, we are striving to that, striving to the place where there is balance, where people can be all they can be without fear, without hesitation, without limitation. It's something to strive for. It's difficult, but we can do it, and in many ways we must. Thank you for allowing me to share.